Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change play control in event of eFootball 2024. So you can play the match manually or automatically lets the game play for you. But before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objectives, so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started by tap the dream team, this one, tap the events, and please choose the event that you want to challenge. And for example, I'm challenged the first one, tour events, Italian clubs, tap continue. And as I mentioned before, you can play manually, just tap to match. If you want to play manually, play by yourself. But if you wanna just view the match with your tactic, of course, you can tap match setting and this one, player control. Tap to AI control and done. So after this you can start the match. And if you are use the AI control, you can only focus on player substitution and tactical application without controlling player in match. Just tap the match and let the game play for you with your tactic and your substitute. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the X button below. Enjoy the game.